Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita and I'm a digital marketer. In this video, we're going to talk about bidding on Facebook. So what is bidding on Facebook and how does it work? Usually bidding is really an auction for any platform. Just take, for example, eBay. So it's a similar thing on Facebook. When we're talking about bidding for any campaign objective, we're talking about auction on Facebook. Since you're not the only one who is advertising on Facebook right now, and the chances are that someone is already using same location and same audience as you, Facebook needs to know when to show your ads or your competitors' ads. So if you're bidding just $10 and your competitor is bidding $20, Facebook is definitely going to choose your competitor over you. But don't increase your bidding just yet. When you first start running your campaign and campaign is new, it's recommended to leave your bidding as it is. Leave it manual. Don't fill in any number. Let Facebook decide what is the normal bid for your situation, because every targeting is different, and even if you advertise with image or video, your bidding price can be different. So leave it at first as it is for just a couple of days. And later on, go ahead and check your CPM on Facebook. If you don't know what is CPM, you can check other videos on my channel. I explained what is CPM and why is it important for your advertising. So make sure to check it out before you're going to increase your bid. So when you're going to check your CPM, you're going to know what is the price that you're going to pay for 100 impressions on Facebook. Make sure your bid is a little bit higher than your CPM. For example, if your CPM is $10, you can bid $11 or $12. This is a good bid. It's going to be enough. This is how you choose how to bid on Facebook. I hope this information was helpful to you. Click like underneath this video if it was, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.